New at 11, it's a big deal for a lot of families in Maine. SNAP benefits. 100,000 households in the state receive them, helping some 174,000 people put food on the table and get a healthy meal. But extra funding for the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program has now run out, meaning those families don't have as much money to get the food they need. Tonight, we're hearing from hunger relief organizations in the state that are now seeing a spike in demand. News Center Maine's Alex Haskell spoke with some of them. And Alex, this is just the start.
Zach, when these benefits were in effect, SNAP recipients were receiving a minimum additional payment of $95 a month. That money is now gone, and folks are going back to where they were getting their food from before these benefits.
Feeding thousands of people is no simple task.
We move a huge amount of food a week.
A lesson Dwayne Hopkins has learned as the executive director of South Portland Food Cupboard.
Oatmeal, raisins.
He says most of this food is going to local families experiencing food insecurity, families who would otherwise go without.
They end up leaving here with between 25 and 30 grocery bags full of groceries.
While it isn't busy right now, it has been. Demand for food here has gone up in the last week. The reason? Families aren't getting as much financial help. Federal pandemic benefits for the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program, or SNAP, ended on March 1st.
Very impactful decreases to people's monthly budget.
Amy Regan-Gallant works at Good Shepherd Food Bank. She says the impact has been immediate.
For the first time, SNAP recipients had enough money to go to the store and buy the food that they needed and wanted.
Now they're going back to where they went before the added benefits.
And we're seeing that already at the pantries. More and more people are having to go.
Places like South Portland Food Cupboard that will soon be working even harder to provide hungry Mainers with the food they need.
We're seeing some of that impact right now, but that's going to really hit by the end of March and the beginning part of April.
So Alex, how much money are we talking about here? How much are people getting a month?
So Zach, without these extra benefits, Gallant says some Mainers are seeing the minimal amount of just $23 a month for their groceries.
Wow, definitely puts it into perspective. Alex Haskell, thanks so much.